So now, why is it that we are subjected to this side of this pH scale? Because we have no connection with Mama like the elephant did, right? So now, the man that put us over here, he knows that if we eat this, we would always be under his control. Because we can't see. It's like putting diesel in a gasoline car. It's not going to run too far. So, why did this happen? Why didn't he continue, why did the man that brought us over here didn't eat this? Which is these are natural grains. Amaranth, teff, oatmeal, quinoa. Why did we have to go over here? What reason? Is it that the people that eat these things are acid just like the things they eat? Well, listen to this carefully. There is a book written by Mr. Pablo Arriola, isn't it? How to Get Well. In page 190, he stated that if your ancestors are European, your body is programmed to digest milk properly. But if your ancestors are African, your body is not so programmed to digest milk. So he's telling us there is a difference, and we have to be careful, because that difference plays havoc on your life. It does things to the family. It divides you. You think it divides you from your wife? No, 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 no. It divides you from this. It divides you from this. You're thirsty. I mean, you are thirsty. You want to drink water. And you have to drink this water. But from your hands to this bottle, you're suffering with rheumatoid arthritis. Pick it up. You can't. Telling us that we are divided within ourselves. Why? I have rheumatoid arthritis. I can't pick it up because my fingers are hurting me. Now, what are the chances between you and your loved one? If the chances of you divided is so easy in yourself, but the chances with you and another is greater. You see? Why? Because we've been eating this. Starch. Brothers and sisters, starch come after you in different forms. You bring it in spaghetti. You bring it in rice. Cane juice has the highest concentration of starch. What starch does to the body? It clogs the body. It obstructs. It eats away on your knees, on your hips, where by the time you get to my age, your knees are like, hey, you gotta watch it, because it hurts. It hurts you. It's painful. And you don't know what to do because the doctors are not telling us the truth. Because my knee used to crack when I was 30.